Hi, everybody. Mr. Potts and Wyatt here today to read to you one of our favorites, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. It's an Elephant and Piggy book. Wyatt is going to be reading the part of Elephant, and I'm going to be reading the part of Piggy. Do you want to say hello before we start? No? Okay. All right. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want
Yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Shoo! Sniff.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do not make me sneeze,
I'll turn it back.
then I cannot hear you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. No. It is too late. Goodbye.
Gerald,
Sniff.
Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay. Dr. Cat. Dr. Cat! Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Pig, pig, pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
Good.
Good.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze.
I think you
I
have
think
a cold.
You're reading my lines.
Yeah, but that's not Piggy.
Oh, that's true. I think you have a cold.
A cold? You are sick.
You are sick.
Why is he happy he's sick?
Remember, because that
I
means
am
he's not.
sick.
He's happy because then he doesn't have to stay away from.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Piggy, great news. for you.
You read my line. You took all my reading. Who's that?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. All right. Do you want to
Pigeon,
say?
the silly monkey.
Do you
Pigeon,
wanna-
the silly monkey.
Do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Goodbye, everybody. Hope you're enjoying some great reading.